On with us. More source-based information coming in that Rahul Gandhi also skipped yesterday's CEC meeting. It was being said by the Congress party that he will join the meeting virtually as he's still undertaking the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. But no official reason has been given so far for Rahul Gandhi's absence from the meeting. Nyamika joins us with more. So his possible seats are being discussed in the CEC meeting, but Rahul Gandhi is nowhere in the picture. He's absent. Yes, he is indeed, going ahead with the Nyaya Yatra, but did he or did he not virtually attend the meeting, Nyamika?
Well, our sources have informed us that Rahul Gandhi was absent during the CEC meeting which had taken place yesterday at the AICC headquarters, as a screen was also being put up there for the CEC meeting, and it was being earlier said that Rahul Gandhi will join this CEC meeting virtually, but later on it was being revealed by some of the leaders who were being present inside that particular meeting. They said that Rahul Gandhi was not being present when this discussion was taking place at the AICC headquarters regarding the finalization of candidates for the 2024 general elections. However, no official word has come on the part of the Congress party that what was the reason why Rahul Gandhi chose to skip that particular meeting, because this was a very crucial meeting, as it is the first CEC meeting that had taken place for the finalization of the names of the candidates for 2024 elections, and Rahul Gandhi's name was also being there for the Wayanad seat. Still, Rahul Gandhi was absent at that point of time, as even Sonia Gandhi, who is the CPP chairperson, she was also being present there. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge was also being there, and all of the state in charges as well as the PCC presidents had a discussion regarding the 10 states which were being discussed in yesterday's meeting for the finalization of the candidates. But Rahul Gandhi has
and in that sense, absolutely very significant. Stay on with us, Nyamika.